A heartwarming story from the Rainbow Village, where diversity and respect are bringing a community closer together. A new family, with bright purple skin and a musical language, has moved into the village, and their arrival has sparked a wave of excitement and learning. Led by a young girl named Mira, the villagers have embraced their new neighbors, celebrating their differences and learning from one another. This vibrant community is now more united than ever, showing the world that respect and kindness can turn diversity into a powerful force for good. Remember, everyone is unique and different in their own special way. When you meet someone who looks, speaks, or acts differently from you, it's important to be kind, curious, and respectful. Just like in the Rainbow Village, where the villagers welcomed a new family and learned new things from them, you can also learn a lot from people who are different from you. By showing respect and embracing diversity, you can help make your community a brighter, happier place for everyone. Hey, now, we want to hear from you. Have you ever met someone who was different from you? Maybe they spoke a different language, wore different clothes, or had different traditions. How did you show respect and learn something new from them? Share your stories in the comments below, and let's celebrate how diversity makes us all stronger together.